you know, people often ask me like about my name, and so I wrote a poem about it because that's really my way of kind of expressing what I'd like to say without, you know, being too mean, I guess. It's called The Sound of My Name is Revolution. My name tastes like a princess tort from Willette's, the Larchmont bungalow. It's savory like Thai Cambodian lunch at Sophie's in Long Beach. It's like brie cheese paired with Penfolds Cabernet, refreshing, healthy, like pressed raw juice. My name is where I start. When, where, how did I begin? My personal history, basic human right, yet systems, governments block me. Is it privileged to know these things? Is it privileged to have only one legal name on this planet instead of 3? Is it privileged to have a name you can just say, no one reacts to? Sometimes I can't even just say my name to an operator. My name, a blessed curse I will take to the grave, unless I hire an attorney, stand before a judge, bring 2 trusted witnesses, pay $400, notify the INS, initiate a background check on myself. So I embrace each secret part of my name. The sound of my name is revolution, a melody, unknown familiar song people mispronounce like fingernails on chalkboards. When I see my name misspelled, it invokes trauma. It's revolting, repulsive, a punch to my gut. My name paints every shade of blue like the ocean, a palette of reactions. Water can be friend or foe, bring relief or tragedy, quenches thirst at marathon's end, chokes out life in a New Orleans hurricane. My name, Julayne, means youthful heart, youthful spirit. Perfect love sometimes absent, I found the missing piece for my heart-shaped name. I measure my name in metric and imperial, measure it in wine, cheese, olives, hummus, chocolate, red velvet cupcakes, measure it in maple bacon sweet potato fries, steak salads, and ice cream birthday cakes. The temperature of my name a fever when too many people I meet for the first time respond in introduction that I have such a beautiful name, or icy cold. Just because you think my name is beautiful, I've never heard that name before. Doesn't mean I want to have coffee with you to talk about how exotic and romantic you think it sounds. The texture of my name like a nail file. One side sandpaper, few accurately pronounce and not project awkwardness the first time. The other side smooth, beautiful, easy to pronounce. Rhymes with Tulane, rolls off your tongue like a revolutionary chant. Ann Taylor, destination, the scent of my name. Extinct fragrance. My name is ocean breeze, eucalyptus, jasmine. If I could give my name a new meaning, you'd hear ambitious, relentless, rainmaker, fierce, genuine, loyal, badass. Woo!